Good day, good people. Good day, my good people. Good day, electrical engineers. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to derive pi model that is under medium transmission line, right? So, under medium transmission line, we've got only two methods that we can use to find the ABCD parameters, right? I believe you now know the background of medium transmission parameters. Now you want to know how to master or how to derive the ABCD, because obviously you cannot go to it's very rare to go to the YouTube and search medium transmission line when you actually don't have an idea of that. So for as much as you searched medium transmission line and pi model, that means now you know what that is, and what you need to know now is to derive. You understand? You're looking for some ways to can derive that, right? So I am here for you. I'm going to take you through the steps on how to derive that, right? So first and foremost, you need to know how to draw this circuit. And then why do we call it pi model? Because as you can see, this is a pi. This is basically a pi. You see, this not a pi? And this line. So this is basically a pi. Right. Now, first and foremost, now we're going to take each other back to our first years, right? So you need to know, you need to understand a node, you need to understand those kind of analysis, right? Now, let us start now. IS is equals to I1 plus I2, right? So this can be our equation 1. Right now, I2 is equals to I3 plus IR, right? This is our IS, right? And IS is equals to what? It's equals to I1 plus I2, right? So it's all I2 here. It's all I2, right? Now, this is our I2. Our I2 is equals to I3 plus IR. Makes sense. We can call this our equation 2. Call this our equation 2. Now, equation 3, it will be IS is equals to I1 plus I3 plus IR. No one will say I don't know. No one will say I don't understand. Huh? Now, we substituted our equation 2 to equation 1 to make equation 3. This makes sense. This make a lot of sense, right? I took this to that. This makes sense, right? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yes, it does make sense, right? Now, from there, we know that I1 is equals to y over 2 multiplied by Vs, right? Because this this y over 2 is our resistor. This is our, right? So now, this is how we now gonna get this, right? Now, what is our I3? I3 is equals to y over 2. And then which voltage are we going to multiply this with? Yes, correct. VR. This voltage is actually going through this, and then this voltage is actually going through this, right? So now, IS is equals to y over 2 Vs plus y over 2 VR plus IR. Good. Now, someone very intelligent will now ask, what is Vs and what is VR? Right? Vs is the sending voltage. VR is the receiving voltage. Now, in your test, they can say voltage supplied. Voltage supplied. That means it's the one that is in the load because it is supplied. Then, if they say whatever a generator a what supplies, that means this is the sending voltage. It is being sent, right? So this is our Vs. Now, okay, back to the derivation of the formula. Now, this is our now original and perfect I3 equation 3 that is now finalized, right? So far. Now, let us look for Vs. Vs is equals to the voltage that is here plus the voltage that is here, right? So you know very well that here, the voltage that is going through this, because these are parallel, it's VR, right? So the voltage that is here and the voltage that is here, which is the voltage that is here should be Z multiplied by I2. That is the voltage that is here. So we're going to say VR plus Z multiplied by I2. 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 Right? Now, Z is an impedance. Don't forget that. Right. What are we going to do now? Question 4. What are we going to do now? What is our I2? What is our I2? Our I2 is I3 plus IR. Right? What is our I3? Our I3 is Y2 divided by Y divided by 2 plus VR. Right? So now we're going to say VR plus Z, open brackets. I3 is Y over 2 VR plus what? Plus IR. Right? Then from there, we are going to just simplify. VR plus ZY over 2 VR plus ZIR. IR. Then from there, we're going to factor out VR 1 plus ZY over 2. Then plus ZIR. Then this is our voltage equation, VS equation. That is definitely completed, right? So we need to understand that our IS is not complete. Why is our IS not complete? Because our IS is still having VS in it, right? This one. So now that means we have to take this and substitute it back to the equation of IS so that IS will also be consistent with VR and IR and Y, right? Now, we need to take this there, right? So now we're going to copy. You're going to help me to not make any mistake because you need not to make a mistake as well, right? So we're going to put VS here. So it's going to be VR ZY over 2 plus ZIR. This is it. Then from there we're adding this, right? We're gonna be putting plus. We're adding what? We are adding this Y over 2 VR plus IR. Right. Right. Now we have to simplify. We have to simplify. We have to be very much careful here. So Y over 2 VR. First and foremost, let us just simplify this. Plus VR ZY over 2 plus Z over ZIR plus Y over 2 VR plus IR. Right? Then we're gonna say YVR over, let us not forget, guys, let us not forget that this one is just the factor of up to here, right? Up to here, right? So now we are going to put it inside, right? Sorry about that. I shouldn't have forgotten this, right? Sharp. Now we should have another brackets here, right? This is 2, this goes that side, then it's gonna be VR Z squared over 2, no, over 4, right? Plus ZYIR over 2 plus Y2 VR plus IR, right? Plus IR. Now that's it. That's it. Now we need to look for like terms. We need to look for like terms. So this one, it's more like this one, right? This one is more like this one. So we need to just, it's YVR over 2 plus YVR over 2, right? Then 2 VRY. Then, so it's just going to be YVR, right? Right. Now we're going to, these ones are eliminated into YVR. Now, this is VR ZY squared over 4 plus YVR. Right. Then plus ZYIR over 2 plus IR. Again, remember that these two are like terms and we eliminated them. Right. Now, we're going to now look for something that we can factorize, right? The ones that are more likely to be like terms, right? These are the ones. Then that means we're gonna say y as a factor. Then we're gonna have z y over 4, right? Now plus 1, close brackets. Now a smart girl or boy should say, where is v now? Where is vr now? Because you only factored out y. Now let me put vr back, right? So are you happy now? You smart girl, are you now happy? You smart boy, are you? Now what is your a? Your a is equals to, this is your a, this is your b, right? And this is your c, and this is your d. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Still your JJ Tech Tutoring, and my name is Jacob, as you know, and currently I'm doing my final year in electrical and electronics engineering at the University of Johannesburg, South Africa. Thank you so much, guys.